Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. It is the Saturday, the weekend, Labor Day weekend, y'all. So I got a 3-day weekend off. Thank God. Thank God. How's everybody doing? My daughter gave me this thing. I was trying to fix it so I could record on it, but it don't work. Anyway, how's everybody doing? What y'all doing this weekend? I'm out here getting something done to these eyebrows. Can y'all see them? I be penciling them in, but they need a little work. Turn the music off. Yeah, I shouldn't be eating this, but it's got a local bakery here. Y'all, they got these things called kolaches. And if I had a napkin, I'd show y'all what they look like. Let's see if y'all can see. They're like sausages and dough, and then it has a piece of cheese in there. Anyway, I got that for our breakfast, but the dough is kind of light and airy like, and then the got a little sweetness to it. It's real good. And then I got, this is for my son breakfast, and I treat myself only on Saturday to one of these. They got apple fritters and donuts. And this is what they look like. Can y'all see it? I got the apple fritters and I got one cinnamon roll. And when you heat them up, the dough stay the same. They fattening now. Not diabetic friendly, but you just don't go crazy and you don't eat them all the time. So I stopped and got that. So now I'm waiting to go get my eyebrows arched. I was getting ready to take my brother to the store, but he told me that since it's raining, he don't want to go. So I'm going to go ahead and run. I got to pick up some stuff from Michael's and Kirkland's, and I'm going to show y'all what I got. I started getting my stuff for the fall. I had some stuff, but it's outdated. So I'm just trying to, get new stuff. I kind of wanted to head into Burlington, but I need to go back home because I'm decluttering and doing my fall cleaning. And April and September, those are the months you transition from your seasons with your decorations. And I can't, like, I'm in Louisiana. Usually you would change out your wardrobe this time of the year, but I can't because we still have 90-degree days here. So I ain't getting ready to take and change my clothes out yet. Nah, I ain't finna do that. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I just wanted to stop by and say hi. Welcome all my new subscribers. Like I keep telling y'all, it's all love over here. We just spreading light. LIGHT, love and laughter. That's what we do here. But anyway, y'all, I'm sitting out here and really don't have nothing to talk about. So I'll check back in later.